Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we will see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 5.3. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So let's note what we know. The sum of first 7 terms is given as 49. So I'm using the notation, yes, 7 is 49. Similarly, the sum of 17 terms is 289. You're expected to find out what is the sum of n terms. So first let's use this notation and expand with whatever we know. So S7 means it is going to be, let's write the formula first. It is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So I'm going to use this formula and substitute for S7. So 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus, I don't know what is d value. So this n is 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6d. Take the 2 other side and the 7 this side. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2 divided by 7. So I can strike off with 7. This is equal to 14. So 2a plus 6d is 14, or a plus 3d is equal to 7. I'm uniformly dividing this whole expression by 2 so that I get a very simple linear equation. Let me note down this equation separately. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. Now let's do this whole process for the 17th term. So S17 is 289. So 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. So 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 divided by 17. So 17s are 289. So this is 34. So 2a plus 16d is 34. Again, I can divide all these things by 2's to get a plus 8d is equal to 17. So let's take this here. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. If I subtract the first expression from the second, this a will vanish. 8 minus 3 is 5d. 17 minus 7 is 10. So 5d is 10, or d is equal to 2. So we found out what is the value of d. Now let's put it in one of these equations. So I'm substituting in this particular equations. So a plus 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to 7, which means a is equal to 1. So we got the value of d, we got the value of a. Now let us find out what is Sn. So Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So I don't know the value of n, so leave it that. N by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So this is n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So Sn is equal to n squared. So that is the value of Sn. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 10th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.